Okay, so this morning I ground some coffee and my carbon monoxide detector went off. And then I ground some more. I thought it was a weird phenomenon the first time. Just did it again. Happened to have my carbon monoxide detector sitting there. And it went crazy again. Gonna try this again, even though I don't need more coffee right now. We're at 0 parts per million. Let's do this. What the hell? Wait for it to get back to 0. So, do small appliances create carbon monoxide? Does coffee? Is it 8 o'clock? Coffee? Anybody help me out? That'd be great. Thanks.